the growing and high technological business of the oil and gas, ArcelorMittal, through a joint venture with Al Tamniya Company for industrial and commercial investment of Riyadh, has built a state-of-the-art plant in Jubail, Saudi Arabia. Located 25 kilometers away from the Arabian Gulf in the new second industrial city of Jubail, the plant has started in 2013. Equipped with the best technologies available to produce high-quality seamless tubes, this brand new unit of 600,000 tons capacity will be dedicated mainly to the Middle East and African markets. The products, mainly for OCTG and line pipe application, will cover a range of 2 3/8 of an inch to 16 inches with wall thickness up to 35 millimeters. Integrated in the process of the tubular division of ArcelorMittal, the billets are produced in a steel plant in Czech Republic before being transferred to Saudi Arabia. When the raw materials arrive in the plant, quality is verified and it is stored in the billet yard segregated by type and heat. Before being put in the rotary hearth furnace, the billet quality is verified and cut into the correct length. It will then be heated to a temperature of around 1250 degrees Celsius. The hot billet will now go through the different sequence of the processes of the hot phase. First, the piercer will transform the billet into a hollow pipe of maximum 11 meters long. Then the product will pass in the premium quality finishing mill. The PQF technology allows high precision in the tolerance of the wall's thickness, which is measured online with ultrasonic technology. To ensure as rolled normalized material properties, the tube will pass through the induction furnace to increase the temperature before the final processing in the 12-stand sizing mill. The tube will cool down on the cooling bed while rotating permanently to keep the straightness. At this stage of the process, the tube is a semi-finished product. It can measure up to 42 meters long and will be directly processed through the pre-finishing lines with cutting, straightening and inspection. World-class inspection includes magnetic flux leakage as well as ultrasonic inspection, where the material grade is verified. The second part of the process will now be the finishing lines, where the tubes will be transformed to meet the customer specifications based on the final application requirements. Based on this, the tubes will be heat treated, followed by inspection and finishing. For small diameter products, upsetting of the ends can be done in the upsetting line for tubing products before heat treatment. For the OCTG products, tube production lines for casing and tubing allow to deliver products responding to the very high standard. Products will be threaded on the box end. And after threading and MPI end inspection, the coupling will be applied with the correct torque. Drift test will be done in full length before it will pass through the hydro pressure test. After the pin side undergoes the same sequence, it passes through the spray type phosphate system if required. The weight of each individual pipe will be verified together with the length, and after final customer stenciling and markings, will be covered with a clear varnish for transportation and storage protection. Depending on the size, the tubes will be bundled in hexagon bundles. A complete finishing line is dedicated to the line pipe products. This line allows the delivery of pipe from 4.5 to 16 inches. To ensure the best solution for our customers, ArcelorMittal Jubail employs the best quality control facilities, combined with technical support and R&D capability. A fully equipped in-house laboratory enables test to specification, including a high collapse and an extensive sour service test facility. ArcelorMittal Jubail is part of the ArcelorMittal Group, the #1 steel company in the world with extensive global reach to our customers. All the effort is put in place to develop the competency of our workforce based on very high standards, and especially regarding safety, with special effort to contribute to Saudiization through local employment.